Good morning, everyone, especially to our Professor Dr. Claire Macabalang. I am Terry L. Samiliano, your presenter. And this subject M212 Curriculum Planning and Development. My topic is about the role of technology in delivering curriculum. Technology plays a pivotal role in delivering curriculum by transforming traditional teaching methods and enhancing the learning experience. It provides tools and resources that enable educators to create more engaging, personalized, and effective learning environments. Technology can enhance curriculum delivery, provide access to a wealth of resources, and promote students' engagement and personalized learning experiences. Key roles of technology and delivering curriculum. The first one is enhancing engagement. Enhancing engagement have three factors. The first one is multimedia resources. Multimedia resources technology allows educators to incorporate videos, interactive simulations, and multimedia presentations, making learnings more stimulating and relevant to student lives. The second one is gamification. Gamification is educational games and apps can turn learning into an enjoyable experience, boosting motivation and retention. The third one is a virtual reality or VR or reality or AR. This technology offers immersive experiences, allowing students to explore complex concepts and environments in a virtual settings. Okay, the second one is the personalizing learning. Personalizing learnings have a three factors. The first one is adaptive learning platforms. Adaptive learning platforms, these platforms adjust the difficulty levels and content based on individual students' progress, providing a customized learning path. The second one is the Learning Management System or LMS. LMS platforms track student performance, provide feedback, and offers personalized recommendation, helping students achieve their learning goals. The last one is the data analytics. Technology enables educators to analyze student data to identify learning gaps and tailor instruction to meet individuals' needs. Okay, the third one roles of curriculum is facilitating collaboration. Facilitating collaboration have three factors. The first one is online collaboration tools. Online collaboration tools is platforms like Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, and Slacks enable students to work together on projects, share ideas, and provide feedback in real time. The second one is discussion forums. Discussion forums, online forums foster discussion and allow students to learn from each other perspectives. The last one is a virtual group projects. The virtual groups projects, technology supports virtual group projects, allowing students to collaborate regardless of their physical location. Okay, the fourth is providing access to information. Providing access for information is have three factors. The first one is online libraries and databases. Online libraries and databases, students can access vast amount of information through online libraries, research databases, and digital archives. Okay, the second one is educational websites and apps. Educational websites and apps, a plethora of educational websites and apps offer resources for various subjects, catering to diverse learning styles and needs. The, last one is open educational resources or OER. Technology facilitates the creation and sharing of OER, making high-quality educational materials accessible to all. Okay, the fifth is streaming assessment. Streaming. Okay, the fifth one is streamlining assessment. Streamlining assessment have three factors. The first one is online quizzes and tests. With the online quizzes and tests, technology simplifies the creation and administration of quizzes and tests, providing instant feedback to students. The second one is automated grading system. Automated grading system. These systems automate the grading process, saving educators time and providing students with timely feedback on their performance. The last one is e-portfolios. E-portfolios students can create a portfolios to showcase their work, track their progress, and reflect on their learning journey. Okay, the sixth is improving accessibility. Improving accessibility have three factors. The first one is the assistive technologies. Assistive technologies technology provides assistive tools for students with disabilities such as screen readers, speech-to-text software, and adjustable font size. Okay, the second one is online learning platforms. Online learning platforms offer flexibility and accessibility, allowing students to learn at their own pace and from any location. Okay, the last one is multilingual support. Multilingual support technology facilitates the translation and adaptation of educational materials, making them accessible to students from diverse linguistic backgrounds. Okay, the seven is enhancing teacher development. Enhancing the teacher development have three factors. The first one is online professional development. Online professional development. Technology offers online courses, webinar, and virtual conferences for teacher training and professional development. The second one is digital resources for teachers. Digital resources for teachers. Educator can access a wealth of digital resources, including lesson plans, teaching strategies, and assessment tools. Then the third one is collaboration and networking. Collaboration and networking. Online communities and platforms enable teachers to connect with peers, share best practices, and collaborate on curriculum development. Thank you for listening.